Hey guys, hey guys, welcome to One Perfect Angel. Today I already reviewed these 4 squishies I got in the mail, 2 extra, 2 that I purchased, and so now to move on to what I'm doing for this video. So right now I'm just doing some homemade squishy supplies haul from Michaels. And they have really good prices there. I'm all red. Bug bite. I have this baby bottle pop that I got. It's not paint, I know. It's a lollipop, but okay, my table keeps falling down. So I just have a watermelon baby bottle pop. And now on to the actual paints. The first one I got was this big 4.25 ounces of black paint, puffy paint by Scribbles. See? So the next thing I had to definitely get was this white. It's shiny, but that's fine. So is the black, but that's fine. Same thing, the 4.25 ounces. Again, by Scribbles. Sorry for the terrible lighting. Okay. The next thing I got was this. How many are on here? Kind of wish. How many did I get? How much did I miss? I don't think it says how many are in here, but I believe it's a 20 pack. Yeah, it doesn't say how many, so I'm just gonna count the top and then divide and then multiply it by 2. Yeah, 20. So I just have that, and I'm going to open it up to show you all the different paints. Where's this open from? It's the side? I think it's the side, yeah. Okay. There we go. So now that I did that, I'm just going to pull them out. Oh, okay. I'm just going to dump them out like that. I know they're hitting the camera. I know. I dropped one. Okay, I found it. So now my table's a mess, but that's fine. I don't really care. So here's what I got. I got 2 small blacks. They're both the same, right? Yeah, 2 shiny blacks. That goes along with my big bottle. And then I got glittering crystal and shiny white. And then I also got glittering silver and glittering gold. I got, let's see, what should I go with? Let's do these. Shiny bright orange and shiny neon orange. Bright orange, neon orange. I got shiny neon yellow and shiny bright yellow. Again, shiny bright yellow, shiny neon yellow. And I got, again, shiny neon green. Oh, sorry for that right in the camera. Go away. Okay. Shiny neon green, shiny Christmas green, and shiny and iridescent seafoam green. So I got all of those. What's this? Oh, this is my hamster. I have shiny pink surprise and shiny neon pink. I have, what is this? Shiny hot chocolate. which I guess is brown. Yeah. I got Shiny Christmas Red. I got Shiny Medium Blue, Shiny Bright Blue, and Shiny Purple. So that's everything that I have for this video. It cost a total, here we go, a total of $34.06. So if you want to go to your local Michael's and just buy, again, a bottle pop, baby bottle pop, 2 large of these paints. Sorry if that's like annoying you right here. I just have a really big bug bite. 2 of these big bottles, and then the 20 pack of these little ones. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can comment anything you want. And yeah, comment down below if you want me to do more of these supplies videos and Squishy videos. So yeah, love you guys. Bye bye.